Good morning, everyone, especially to Mr. Pausari, Director of Skyline International School. My name is Ms. Ocharat. Today, I am happy to talk about a very special place in Cambodia. It's Phnom Aural. It is the highest mountain in our country. I hope you enjoy my speech. There are 4 special points about Phnom Aural. 1. Tallest mountain in Cambodia. Phnom Aural is the highest mountain in Cambodia. It is very big and tall, reaching 1,813 meters. 2. Home to many animals. Many animals live in the forest around Phnom Aural. You can find elephants, birds, and other wild animals there. 3. Fun for hiking. People who love adventure climb Phnom Aural. The walk is long and hard, but the view from the top is beautiful. 4. A special place for people. Many people in Cambodia think Phnom Aural is a beautiful and important place in Cambodia. They believe spirits live in the mountain and show respect when they visit. Closing. Thank you everyone for listening my speech. Phnom Aural is a beautiful and important place in Cambodia. I hope one day you can visit it too. Goodbye and good luck.